people are fearful by the recent attack on the devotees at Hindu Sabha Temple on the auspicious day of Diwali by the Khalistani extremists. Our temples, our Gurudwaras are sacred space, a beacon of devotion, peace and unity. It is a place where Hindus, Sikhs and people from all walk of life come together to honor the divine presence that binds us all. Such an attack is not just a blow to one community, it is a wound inflicted upon the spirit of our entire nation. It seeks to fracture the unity that we cherish, to sow the seeds of fear where there should be love, and to turn us against each other when we should be standing together. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj attained enlightenment, his first word to humanity was Ek. Onkar Satnam. There is a one divine essence. One presence permeates all life, yet humanity has continued to divide this oneness into countless fragments by the name of religion, nationality, caste, gender, race or social status. The Guru's teaching was to transcend these illusions of separation, to see each other as a reflection of the same divine light. Guru Gobind Singh Ji, when he formed the Khalsa, it was done to uphold dharma, to protect the temples and Gurudwaras, and to defend the values of justice and righteousness. This recent attack is a direct assault on the very teachings of Guru. It's an insult to the sacred legacy of unity and compassion that Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Gobind Singh Ji and all the Gurus envisioned for humanity. Let us remember that our strength lies in unity, in our commitment to safeguard the oneness that binds us all, transcending any divisions that would tear us apart. This is a time for clarity and resilience. We must not allow the divisive actions of a few to undermine the centuries-old bond between Hindus and Sikhs. Let us not let these provocations fracture our shared heritage of respect and harmony. An ideology rooted in violence, no matter how it is rationalized, cannot lead us to a better world. true strength lies in unity, not in division, in understanding, not in fear, and in the courage to build bridges of peace rather than walls of hate. As I have long emphasized, ensuring the safety and security of our community requires us to step up and assert our rights and hold our politicians accountable. Now more than ever, we need proactive measures and vigilance to protect our collective well-being. To those who seek to spread discord, we say, we are strong together. Our actions cannot shake our commitment to each other, nor will they deter us from our shared path of dharma, tolerance, and compassion. I urge every one of us to respond, but not with anger, but respond with renewed dedication to the values that elevate us all. Go into the root of it and respond. This incident serves as a reminder of our duty to nurture our youth with values that lead to understanding, not division. Let us cultivate a society where all of us, regardless of our beliefs, feel secure, respected, and embraced. Let us stand united, not only as Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Muslims, or Jews, but as human beings, or as a being, with a shared duty to protect what is sacred. And what is sacred is our peace, our mutual respect, and our communities. Together we can overcome any challenge, and together we will rise as a beacon of hope, harmony, and resilience. Namaste, and thank you to all of you for standing with us in supporting our unity and strength.